And now, Nat Geo Channel presents Sounds of the Cicadas. Listen to how they sing as they mate, with joy and glee. And prepare to die. This has been Sounds of the Cicadas.